Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable watermark. So let's just take a photo for an example to see how this watermark will look like. And as you can see, here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10 Ultra Vision camera. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.